Does water dissolve any equal amounts of different soluble substances? Means, does water dissolve like we have taken 20 spoons of sugar and 20 spoons of salt. We've taken 1 cup of water. Now, do you think that 1 cup of water will become saturated, or 1 cup of water will dissolve equal amount of salt, and another 1 cup of water will also dissolve the equal amount of sugar? Does matter differs? I mean, does the rate of saturation differs with the different components? That we are going to check. Okay. Activity number 10. Take 2 glasses, pour half a cup of water in each of them. Okay, only half a cup of water. Add a teaspoon of salt to 1 glass and stir till the salt dissolves. Okay. Go on adding salt 1 teaspoon at a time till the solution saturates. Okay, children, now we are using this word saturates, means the solution is saturated, means no more salt is getting dissolved. If you are adding sugar, so no more sugar is getting dissolved. Okay, now record the number of spoons of the salt that is dissolved in the water in table 5.2. So this is table 5.2. You have to write that I added like 11 spoon or 12 spoon came when your solution becomes saturated, or 12 spoon of sugar, 12 spoon of salt, or the number of spoon of sugar is less, or sugar salt is more, whatever is the number you have to write here. Okay, now repeat the same activity with sugar. Repeat this with the same with some other substances that are soluble in water. So you keep on doing with salt, with sugar, or something else. If you want, you can put, right, and you can start dissolving them and you can check out. What do you notice from the table 4.5.2? Do you find that water dissolves different substances in different amounts? That is what you are going to see now. We have discussed a few methods of separating substances. Some of the methods of separation presented in this chapter are also used in a science laboratory. We also learnt about that the solution is prepared by dissolving a substance in a liquid. A solution is said to be saturated if it cannot dissolve more of the substance in it. Okay, children, so here we are done with the chapter, right?